In flows, pipelines define the structure of your workflows, from the trigger to the final action. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new pipeline, step by step, and start building your automation with nodes. Let's begin. Start by going to the Pipelines section in the left-hand menu. This is where all your workflows are listed and managed. Click on Create Pipeline. A modal will appear. Enter a name, description, and set the active status. Once you're done, click Create to add the pipeline to your workspace. Your new pipeline will now appear in the list. Click on Go to Pipeline to open it. You'll now see a blank canvas. This is where you'll build your workflow by adding nodes, each one representing a different part of your process. Click Add New Node to open the list of available node types. These include triggers, actions, conditions, automations, integrations, pipeline. Select the type of node you want to add and configure its settings. Every pipeline must begin with a trigger. Choose a trigger node, for example, Entity Created or Webhook Received. Fill in the required fields and add it to the canvas. This node will determine when your workflow begins. Once the trigger is in place, continue adding nodes to define the logic of your pipeline. Use actions to perform tasks, conditions to make decisions, automation to handle repetitive steps, integrations to connect with other platforms, and pipeline controls to manage subflows or define exits. When you've finished building your pipeline, make sure all nodes are connected correctly. Click Save and activate the pipeline to start using it in production. You can return and update it anytime. And that's how you create and configure a pipeline in Flows. Now you're ready to build powerful, automated workflows tailored to your organization. Thanks for watching.